In this video, we will learn how to record sales and purchases transactions in KostPadi. Sales represent revenue generated from customers, while purchases represent expenses or goods acquired from suppliers. Recording these transactions correctly ensures that your financial reports accurately reflect your business performance. To record a sale, on the navigation menu, click Quick Sales, enter the details of the transaction including customer name. This will be selected from the Customers List drop-down. If an inventory item sales, select the inventory from the drop-down. Else, if not, enter the product or service description in the description area. Quantity, unit price, transaction date. Once the information is entered, click Save. KostPadi will automatically update the revenue accounts in your chart of accounts. If the sale is linked to inventory, the system will also update stock levels. To record a purchase, navigate to the Purchases section. Click Quick Purchases. Follow the same step for posting purchases. Once saved, KostPadi updates the appropriate expense or inventory accounts. When sales and purchases are recorded correctly, they automatically update your financial reports. Sales transactions update revenue accounts and appear on the income statement. Purchase transactions update expense accounts and also appear on the income statement. These transactions also affect your balance sheet and cash flow reports depending on how they are recorded. Posting sales and purchases correctly is one of the most important activities in managing your business finances. By ensuring that all transactions are recorded accurately, KostPadi can generate reliable financial reports that help you understand your business performance. KostPadi, your go-to Padi for financial solutions.